Ever wondered how some cakes look too beautiful to eat, with their intricate designs and flawless surfaces? That's the magic of fondant decorations, a popular choice in cake artistry. We're about to explore 5 key techniques in mastering this craft. Stay tuned as we delve into 5 techniques that can help you master the art of fondant decorations. The first 2 techniques are all about preparation, kneading and rolling the fondant. Kneading is crucial as it makes the fondant pliable and easier to mold. Think of it as warming up before a workout. It preps the fondant for the task ahead. Next is rolling. Here, consistency is key. Strive for an even thickness throughout to ensure a smoother application on your cake, avoiding any unwanted lumps or bumps. Remember, perfection in kneading and rolling sets the foundation for a flawless fondant decoration. Now that your fondant is prepped, let's move on to the third technique, applying the fondant to the cake. Start by gently draping the rolled fondant over your cake. Smooth it out with your hands or a fondant smoother, ensuring it adheres properly. Trim any excess fondant for a neat finish. Remember, fondant can dry out quickly, so it's essential to work with a swift yet careful hand. With the right technique, even a beginner can apply fondant like a pro. The final techniques, painting and embossing, are where you can truly let your creativity shine. Painting on fondant is a delightful process, letting you add intricate details using edible paint or food coloring. Now, embossing is the key to adding depth and texture to your fondant decorations. By pressing patterns into the surface, you can create an array of stunning effects. So, don't hold back. With painting and embossing, your fondant decorations can truly come to life. And there you have it, 5 techniques to mastering fondant decorations. From kneading and rolling, applying to the cake, to painting and embossing, remember, practice and creativity are key. So why not give it a try? With these techniques, your next cake could be a masterpiece.